Good morning, children. Take out mathematics book, page number 3333. See here, exercise is there. Can you see? These exercises you have to do. First, I will read question. Complete the number line by writing the missing numbers. What did they ask? Complete the number line by writing the missing numbers. See, they have given some numbers on this line. See here, line is there, numbers are there. What you have to do? First number is 2100. Second number is 2125. Some numbers are jumped there. How many numbers? See, they have given picture, cat picture. Cat is jumping. They jump. This cat jumps. Some numbers. Which numbers? How much numbers it jumps? First number is 2100. I told you in last class how to do this problem. See, you have to take two numbers, first and second number. Afterwards, subtract from a second number to first number. Second number is 1225 minus 2100. Then you will get one number. See, what is the number? 25. Like that, you can find out this one. Afterwards, you add this number to next number. See, first is 2100, second is 2125. Here, added 25 to first number. Is it right? Yes. See here, they have added 25 to first number. 2100 plus 2125. Like that, you have to keep on adding. 2125 plus again 25, then you will get 2125. Is it right? Yes. Next number is you know already, is it? 2150 plus 25, 2175. Am I right? You can take notebook and add 25 to each number. Next, 2175, again add 25, then you will get 2200. Like that you have to do these problems. Again 2200 plus 25, 2225 is the next number. Did you get? Like that you have to do. Next, 2440, 3040. How much is move here? Deer is jumped one by one. See, 2040 to 3040. Next number you have to find out yourself. I told already how to do, what to do for this problem. You can do yourself, children. These are very easy. Observe properly, and if you not get easily, you can subtract from second number to first number. Then you will get difference. Afterwards, add that difference to that next number. Understood? Like that you have to do. See, I have written fourth problem here. You have to do second, third, all the things. See here, page number 33. Do these things in your notebook and here also, and submit into assignment group. Next, second one I will do. See here, children, second main, page number 33. Write the missing numbers in the following number series. They have given number series. Some numbers are missing. You have to find out. I told above problem like that. This is also same. Okay. First, 2326. 2326 2334 are the given number. You know already what to do. You have to subtract from this number to this one. Then you will get difference. What is the difference between 2330 minus 2326? 4 is difference. So you add 4 to this number. Then you will get 2334. Afterwards add 2334 plus 4. Then you will get 2338. Again you add 4 to 2338 plus 4. 2342. Next. Again add 4 to 2342 plus 2300 plus 4. Then you will get 2346. Is it easy? Yes. Very easy. Is it? Next. 4107 is the given number. Next number. See, they did not give anything. Is it? They given blank. Fifth one, I have written fifth one. They have given blank. Next number is 6107. What is the number here? See, it jumped. A missing number is 5000. 1000 is increased. 5107. Next number 6107. You add 1000 to this number, then you will get next number. 4107 plus 1000, 5107 plus 1000, 6107 plus 1000, 7107. Like that, then you will get, you add 1000 to this number. 7107 plus 1000, 8107. Again you have to add 1000. Then you will get 9000. Is it? 9107 is the last number. Like that you have to do. I told many times, do these things and submit into assignment group. 5 problems are given in second main. You do, children, in notebook also and submit into assignment group. See page number 36 and page number 33, not 36, 33 and 34. See here 34. These are the problem. It is very easy. Do it and submit it to assignment group. See children, page number 34. They have given here also some problem. Greatest, smallest or largest, smallest, like that you have to find out. Least number, more number, like that. I will read once, listen carefully. Observe these pictures. The investment details of 4 vegetable vendors are given. Observe and answer the following questions. Rizwan, rupees 5256. Gaurama, rupees 4960. David, rupees 6370. Fatima, rupees 3480. Like that they have given amount. What you have to do? Among these, who has invested more amount? Among these, who has invested the least amount? What you did to get the answer? You compared all the numbers. You have learned to compare the method of 3 digit numbers in your previous class. Read on it and compare the numbers from highest place value and identify the largest and the smallest number. 5256, 4960. Children, they have given only 4900. It is 4960. 6370, 3480 are the 4 digit numbers. The digit in the thousands place are 5, 4, 6 and 3 respectively. Among them, 6 is the greatest and 3 is the smallest. Among these numbers, the greatest number is 6370 and the smallest number is 3480. Therefore, among them, the person who has invested the most is David, rupees 6370. The person who has invested the least is Fatima, rupees 3480. Did you get answer? Yes. Children, 4 vegetable vendors are there. They invested some amount. You have to find out who invested highest amount or more amount, who invested least amount or smallest amount. First, see here, Rizwan is 5256. Gaurama invested 4960. David invested 6370. Fatima invested 3480. If you get the highest number, what you have to do? You have to observe the place value. How many places are there? See unit, tens, hundreds, thousands. How many places are there? 4 places are there. First, which is highest place? Unit or tens or hundred or thousand? Which is highest? Which is biggest? Thousands place. Is it right? Yes. First, observe thousands place. Which is the bigger number in thousands place? Here in thousands place 5 is there. Here 4 is there. Here 6. Here 3. See, I will write 5, 4, 6, 3. Is it right? Observe properly. It is very important. First, observe the place value. Thousands place. Which is highest in thousands place? 5, 4, 6, 3. 5, 4, 6, 3. Which is highest in these numbers? Among these numbers, which is highest? Yes, 6 is highest. Yes, observe where is 6? 6 is here. David's amount is starting from 6,000. So, what is the question? Who invested more amount? More amount is how much? 6,000. David's amount, is it? David's amount. It is rupees 6,370 is the highest amount. Did you get for first question? Yes. Did you get answer? Yes. I will write here. Second, among these, who has invested the least number? Observe here. Which is the least number? Which is the smallest number here in thousands place? Which is smallest? 5, 4, 6, 3 are there. 6 is highest. Which is small? 3 is highest. Yes. 3 starting here. Who is it? Fatima. Less or least? The least. What is the question? The least amount. The least amount invested by Fatima, because the least number is 3 in thousands place. Rupees 3,480 is the Fatima. This is Fatima's amount. This is Fatima's amount. Rupees 3,480 is the smallest or least amount. Did you get answer for 2 questions? Yes. Among these, who has invested more amount? David invested more amount, 6,370. Fatima, second question, who invested least amount? Fatima invested least amount, that is 3,480. Children, did you get? It is very easy, is it? First, observe place value. How many places are there? Afterwards, observe the numbers in highest place value, highest place. 1000 place is there. Afterwards, write separately here which is highest in these among these numbers. Afterwards, observe here and write these numbers. Then you will get the answer. Okay, children. See here, children. Circle the greatest number. Now, they have given 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers are there. Find out which is greatest number. See, 3247, 3280, 3228, 3267. How will you find out? I told already, observe the place of the numbers. How many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. But here, see in thousands place, 1, 3 is here, 3, 3, 3. How can you find out largest number? Now, observe this hundreds place. If there is same in thousands place in all numbers, then you go to next hundreds place. Which number is highest in hundreds place? Observe. Here 2 are in hundreds place. So don't worry. Next go to tens place. See, thousands are same, hundreds are same. Next go to tens place. Then you will get the highest number. What you have to do is, see here tens place 4 is there. Here 8 is there. Here 2 is there. Here 6 is there in tens place. So in the tens place 4, 8, 2, 6. Don't get confused. Observe only tens place. Here take out the biggest number or greatest number in these 4 numbers. Tens place numbers 4, 8, 2, 6 are the numbers. Which is highest? 8 is highest. Where is 8 in tens place in these numbers? Here. Is it right? Yes. This is the greatest number. Among these, this is the greatest number. Did you get? Why did you observe only tens place of these numbers? Because hundreds place and thousands place are same numbers. It has these numbers have same numbers in hundreds place and thousands place. So you have to observe the tens place. If there is same number in tens place also, then go to unit place. Which is highest in unit place? That is the greatest number. Understood, children? Don't get confused. It is very easy. If you understand, it is very easy. Here 8 is there in tens place. This is the highest number. Understood? Next. See here, circle the smallest number. It is given in page number 36. Do yourself. See, this is the homework. I did for you only one. You have to do rest of the problems, solve it and submit it to assignment group. Did you get, children? Did you see? Yes. Okay. The smallest number. Circle the smallest number. First number is 8826. Second is 8823. Third one is 8821. Fourth one is 8829. These are the numbers. See here, what you have to observe? Smallest number. Place value also. See here, 8826, 8823, 8821. Which is smaller here? This one. This hundreds place, thousands place and tens place are 8, 8, 2 are there. Same numbers are there. So this is the least number. Means smallest number in units place. Observe smallest number. See, 9 is highest. So this is smaller. This is the smallest number. Did you understand? Like that you have to find out the biggest and smallest. Next, I have given for homework. Circle the greatest number 4336. 5338, 5338, 7338, 8338. What you have to do here? Observe the place of the numbers here also. 7528, 2532, 6854, 1898. These are the numbers. Second, circle the smallest number. 1828, 2825, 6892, 7515. 15. See, circle the smallest number and greatest number in this homework. Understood, children? Children, please do all the activities, all the exercises in your notebook and submit into assignment group. This is the 4th standard mathematics, you know already. 4th standard children, you should do now itself. Okay. Video I have uploaded in YouTube, so you have to watch properly and observe properly and listen carefully. Do it today itself 3 times or 4 times. Do it properly, or do all the things. You can write your own number and do it and submit into assignment group. Okay, children. Thank you, children.